Babul Fahad door. This is the door where all the pilgrimage and Hajj and Umrah people are supposed to enter to see Kaaba very first time in life. Now we are proceeding towards Kaaba, and we are just supposed to, put our mobile on the feet of those people who are just walking towards Kaaba. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika lak labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata lak wal mulk la sharika lak, labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika lak labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata lak wal mulk la sharika lak. Every time whenever you see enter inside the Masjid Al Haram, you are supposed to follow the protocols of the people who are doing tawaf, who are performing Hajj, right? Okay. Now this is the high time. This is the big time. I can feel that the tawaf people who are doing tawaf is very near to me, right? They are very, very, very near to me. My eyes is on my feet, right? And we are just about few steps away from Haram. MashaAllah. The people who are doing tawaf is very near to me. Okay, I'm still seeing towards feet. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika lak labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata lak wal mulk la sharika lak. Okay, I'm searching for the location where I can see Kaaba clearly, right? Because there is extremely scorched beam of sun, I'm unable to see clearly everything. It's a hot day today. Okay, I found this location. Alright, now Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Right, recite Bismillahi, Allahu Akbar, Walillahil Hamd. And MashaAllah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, ashhadu anna Allaha ala kulli shay'in. This is the Kaaba. MashaAllah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, ashhadu anna Allaha ala kulli shay'in qadir. MashaAllah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, ashhadu anna Allaha ala kulli shay'in qadir. MashaAllah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, ashhadu anna Allaha ala kulli shay'in qadir. Now we are supposed to search for the green light. Now I am starting my tawaf, right? I am starting my tawaf and I am searching for the green light. And below green light it's Hijr Aswad. There is the green light. I think it's on another side against King Abdullah Gate, right? Here is the Maqam Ibrahim. And where is the green light? Yeah, I found this green light. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Whenever you start tawaf, right, you are supposed to start with Bismillahi, Allahu Akbar, Walillahil Hamd. Bismillahi, Allahu Akbar. Now this is Rukne Yamani. This is the place where all the du'as get accepted. All the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu and Ibrahim and Nuh and Ismail, everyone, hug that Rukne Yamani. Alhamdulillah, I got the chance 2 times to hug Rukne Yamani. Right. And in the Rukne Yamani, you are supposed to read Rabbana Atina Fid Dunya Hasanatu wa Fil Akhirati Hasanatu wa Qina Azaban Nar. Hasanatu wa Qina Azaban Nar. Still my tawaf has not started yet because this tawaf is supposed to be start from Hajr Aswad, right? Now this is Hajr Aswad, this corner where Allahu Akbar is written in vertical manner. I'm starting my tawaf. Now you are supposed to do istilam to Hajr Aswad. Allahu Akbar, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह, अल्लाहु अकबर, अल्लाहु अकबर, ला इलाहा।